when you start believing in energies and chakras literally, when you start believing in bullshit notions like nofap and sexual restraint literally, to the point of like going overboard, you're making these deep contracts with yourself. Understand the difference between ethics and morals. Ethics are interdependent, दो लोगों के बीच में, कि मैं उसके साथ ऐसा ना करूं जैसा मेरे, समझ रहे हो, कि तुम दूसरों के साथ कैसा करते हो. Ethics involves other people. Morals are contracts with your own self. So there is a slight difference, even though the definitions are kind of overlapped. At the bottom of the pit, at the bottom of the well is belief. Is things you think are important. What is more valuable? Right? Somewhere around the 17th, 18th century, I think this was with French Revolution ke khatam hone ke baad, when the first modern democracy was formed. We came to the idea that all life is equal and thus must be preserved. All life is equal. What is उनका वो phrase क्या था? Liberty, fraternity, equality, equality. तो this was the political foundation of the idea कि हम belief दे रहे हैं कि सारी जिंदगियां बराबर हैं. Religious foundation भी है इस idea की, by the way. हमारे तो non-veg भी नहीं खाते ना, right? हमेशा से this has always been a case. We've always but this became political mainstream after this, and then American civil war होती है 1776 में, America gets formed. They use the same principle, and this becomes politically mainstream to the point where law protects everybody's lives. Back in the day, this was not the case. Back in the day, only God protected everybody's life. Because this idea that all life is equal and worth protecting is a divine message. It's not logical. क्यों है logical? You want to test it out? I'll give you a thought experiment. Say somebody walks home, your home, inside, kills your mother and walks away. I give you 5 minutes with a gun with this guy. You can kill this guy or you can let him be. What will you do? You'll kill him. But you must not. All life is equal. And even if he took your mother's, even if he took infinity from you, you cannot take infinity from him. You don't have the right to do that. Law will punish you afterwards. But you'll do that. So it's not that morality का कोई common पन्ना है जहां से हमने सबने उठा लिया. कोई लॉजिक नहीं है. इनफैक्ट लॉजिक तो डिक्टेट कर रहा है, मार साले को, उसकी हिम्मत कैसे हुई, मैं जान ले लूंगा उसकी. तुम गुस्सा भी हटा दो तो भी, तूने इसको मारा, मैं तेरी मम्मी को मारूंगा, काम खत्म. बराबर बात. लॉजिक से कहीं नहीं निकल के आता दैट ऑल लाइफ इज वर्थ प्रिजर्विंग. इट्स व्हाट divine order. It's what God's telling you to do in a sense. It's belief based. So almost all morality comes from deep fundamental beliefs that you have with yourself, promises you make to yourself about what is more important, what is less important. और फिर वो root level पे ये हो रहा है, फिर वो क्या करता है, that reflects itself on the level of reality कि मेरे ये promise है, सारी life important है, ये तो मेरा एक theoretical promise है अपने साथ. फिर मेरे साथ ये real life situation होती है इस टाइप की, और मैं डिसाइड करता हूं उस टाइम कि मैं क्या करने वाला हूं. तो इसका, इस थ्योरेटिकल बिलीफ का एक रिफ्लेक्शन होता है तुम्हारे बिहेवियर में, राइट? द जनरल पॉइंट बीइंग कि द कोर ऑफ हाउ यू बिहेव इज अ बिलीफ बेस्ड एंटरप्राइज. द कोर ऑफ व्हाट यू थिंक इज राइट एंड रॉन्ग इज अ बिलीफ बेस्ड एंटरप्राइज. एंड सो बी केयरफुल ऑफ आउटसोर्सिंग दैट टू बुलशिट आर्टिस्ट्स who sell you bullshit ideas that you borrow as your moral fiber. When you start believing in the law of karma literally, कि मैं बुरा करूंगा तो मेरे साथ बुरा होगा, what you are making is this contract with yourself. When you start believing in energies and chakras literally, when you start believing in bullshit notions like nofap and sexual restraint literally, to the point of like going overboard, you're making these deep contracts with yourself. उनका behavioral representation ये, I'm on nofap. But you're making those deep contracts with yourself that dictate all your behavior. So why are you letting virus into your operating system? Why are you letting it into like that deep of a software inside you? So the core of morality is belief based, and these beliefs, or rather your moral set, should be earned. It'll always be influenced. वो तुम avoid नहीं कर सकते. All your thoughts are influenced. डिटर्मिनिज्म की बात कर रहे थे अभी हम. बट यू नीड टू अर्न देम, यू नीड टू टेस्ट देम आउट. डोंट बी seduced by the first lovely sounding individual you meet, because they are influencing how you behave for the rest of your life in that deep fashion. What they say is not just going to affect you ऊपर ऊपर, वो नीचे तक जाने वाला है दोस्त. Especially things you put in action, because you learn in action, not in words. तो सपोज मैंने सुन लिया एक कोई स्पिरिचुअल प्रिंसिपल जिसका कोई फंडामेंटल बेसिस नहीं है, और कुछ स्पिरिचुअल प्रिंसिपल्स का फंडामेंटल बेसिस होता है, मैं उस पर भी आता हूँ, बट मैंने सुन लिया कोई स्पिरिचुअल प्रिंसिपल जिसका कोई फंडामेंटल बेसिस नहीं है, मैं उसको घर ले गया अपने साथ और मैं उसको एक्ट आउट करने लगा. अब मेरी बॉडी डीपली उस चीज में मानती है, अब मेरा दिमाग प्योरली कन्विंस्ड है, and I've made a moral agreement with myself. I've created a value upon something that probably is not needed. So as far as spiritual principles that work are concerned, you know where to find them? Religion. Religion is spirituality that worked for thousands of years. So ये जो reinvented spirituality जो तुम्हें बेच देते हैं because YouTube पे views ये वो, be careful. There is a better place to go for that. And I'm not fond of religion myself. I'm not religious myself. But it's far better a place to go look for these answers than just like cockadoodle spirituality जो यूं ही बिक जाती है. और मतलब I've tried showing examples of that on my YouTube channel. I'll be like, देखो, सुन रहे हो, ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, VR1 कहाँ है, VR1, I don't see it. But like, why is this notion so popular? Because it's a bullshit non-verifiable notion. कोई verify नहीं कर सकता. कहाँ से verify करोगे? सुनने में अच्छा लगता है, हाँ, pass. So that is the problem. Your morality is a belief-based enterprise, and you need to be careful what you let slip into that belief system. There is no logic that will test it out. You have to be very, very careful. क्या downsides हो सकते हैं इस बात को मानने के? सारे लोग अच्छे होते हैं, इसके बहुत अपसाइड्स हैं, पर इसी बात के बहुत डाउनसाइड्स भी हैं. मैं गुड इनफ नहीं हूं, लोगों का ये बहुत सेंट्रल बिलीफ होता है कई बार, आई एम नॉट गुड इनफ. उसके कुछ अपसाइड्स भी हैं और कुछ डाउनसाइड्स भी हैं. व्हाट वर्क्स विद मी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड सो दैट इज द आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन. द बेस ऑफ एथिक्स तो खैर इज अ डिफरेंट एंटरप्राइज ऑल टुगेदर. And ethics mein, I think you should read Aristotle on Nicomachean ethics. But for morality, it's way better you listen to the stories of Ram, Krishna, Muhammad, Jesus, all these people. And look everywhere, bro. All these places are fine to pick up answers from.